Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. After a long stoppage, you may be wondering why I stop upload, and the reason is pretty easy. So the reason for that is that I've been sick for the last 2 months maybe, but I will start uploading again, and I will work again on the Volkswagen Polo. In this video I will replace this mirror because when I'm driving, the mirror is shaking a lot and the engine is not working properly. My first option was try to repair, but actually I bought a new one, and the reason is pretty easy. This cost me 23 euros and I will spend a lot of time to fix, find out what is the problem, probably spend some money buying some parts, I'm not sure. The mirror I bought is not the same color, but as you know, if you are not new on the channel, the car will receive a full paint, so it don't make any sense to try to fix this and not to buy a new one and install a new one. So I bought this one from Alcar. It cost me 23 euros. I will try to show you. So this is a pretty easy job. I think it's 2 or 3 screws. If you look on the panel of the door, what you need to do is to remove a side column, a sound column, which I already removed because I removed the old panels to paint the plastics and the column, because the column originally it's white and I hate, so I painted in black, and I will show you in a future video. So let's go. This is pretty easy and I hope you enjoy. Maybe it helps someone, and if you are new in the channel, take a look at my other videos and let's go. So basically, if you want to do this, or if you need it for some reason, you'll have a sound column right here. You need to remove 1 screw, and after that you need to pull the column out. You have this space right here, and the mirror is holding by these 2 screws, which I'm gonna remove and try to install the new one. So let's go. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you enjoy, or maybe it helped you if you need to replace your mirror. Take a look at my other videos. We have been working on this Volkswagen Polo. We already restored a Nissan Micra. So if you are new in the channel, don't forget to subscribe, leave your thumbs up as usual. See you soon, stay tuned.